Very close lightning, though.
Rain. And probably through Chickasha until we start taking it.
I think
we're probably going to keep getting it all the way into Norman.
All right. We are in the middle of nowhere, Oklahoma. I think we're southwest of Mustang at the moment, I believe. I can't guarantee you anything, but I believe we're southwest of Mustang.
I mean, that is correct.
Yeah, okay.
We're almost south of Tuttle.
Okay. Yeah, okay, I know where we are. But we are trying to get back towards Chickasha and then go back into Norman so we can maybe catch the rest of this lightning show before we call it a night. Because this thing's become a disorganized, blobby garbage pile. Like, I mean, it's been that practically the whole time. Only a few instances where it was actually decently organized and looked like it was going to do some fun stuff, but looks like the players of today were definitely in Arkansas from what we were looking at.
And Arizona.
Yes, Arizona too. Yeah, definitely Arizona. Arizona had a tornado warning, a bunch of supercells all over the place, 70-mile winds. Much better than here. And Arkansas apparently got baseballs. So
They had tennis balls.
I heard baseballs. Oh, I don't know.
They had a warning.
Close enough.
Balls. Yeah.
Close enough. Baseballs and tennis balls, they're giant hail. They're over 2.5 inches. We'll just say over 2.5 inch hail. It's just gigantic. So, man, this has been fun. I've actually enjoyed it, even though we haven't gotten really anything great. It's been fun to see how the lightning has just been crazy. The lightning and rain. Moment of truth. Oh, look what we would have gone on. This is it. Moment of truth right here. We got paved road.
Yeah.
For now.
Yeah, baby.
For now, we got paved
Oh,
road.
yeah.
What is this right here? Is that a semi? That is a freaking semi right there. Hello.
Oh,
Yeah, I know. This road is not big enough for both of us.
This road ain't big enough for a two of us. It's a words accent I never could have done.
This road ain't big enough for the two of us.
It's like Australia.
You know, this road ain't big enough for the two of us here. I think you got to Alright, let's just hope that... Well, I mean, if that semi came, then obviously it's not mud.
Yeah. So, I mean, at least this part of the road is nice. I can't speak for certain about County Road 1230.
I can't, yeah, because...
Which has no other names. So it's probably
that might be
gravel or dirt.
Issue. Wait, is that the next road we gotta get on?
It will be. I mean, we don't necessarily have to.
I think we... Well,
in theory, we could take this pretty much all the way down to the...
Well, I mean, I want to get...
But I
want to get out of this.
The fastest one will be to take
I think I just want to get out. I want to get out of this as quick as possible.
So it'll be a weird turn. It'll be on the right.
How far down?
It's coming to foot, so there's a driveway there. There will be a road here. It's not that one.
It's not this one?
It's not this one. It should be the next right after this. Right, so the upcoming right.
That road right there. I see it. This is it, guys.
Right past
I don't like
right past the tree line, yeah. Right there.
I don't like the...
I love Bob's Road.
Oh yeah, here we go. 12:30. Here we go. This is it. We're going in.
Hey, at least it's gravel.
It's gravel for now. This might turn into
for the moment.
Okay.
Oh, we're on a special weather statement now.
Oh, so
an absolutely gargantuan one.
Let me see. Woo, woo. Here, just put that in front of the camera. Put that in front of the camera. Wait, does that go all the way out east too?
Yeah, that covers from Chandler along the 44.
No way! That's huge.
All the way to Chickasha.
That is huge. Imagine if that was severe thunderstorm warning. Man, that would be something. Well, hey, look, the road's getting better. Actually, that back. The road's getting worse. The road is getting worse.
This is fun. Oh, it's back to gravel.
Okay,
All right, good.
That was dirt right there.
Yeah.
We're fine.
We good. Oh, it's starting to form into a second line.
Oh, you got a double
So
form?
it's stretching from near Weatherford down to
Oh, that's from the other storm.
Hobart. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Another line behind this current one. That's got a pretty big severe thunderstorm on it too.
That might get us too. Either way, once we get back into Norman, I think we're gonna have a great lightning show still.
We're probably going to be coming in. Yeah, there'll be ample crawlers from that point. Yeah, less than a mile left, and then we're on to the 99.
Had radar Omega not screwed up and glitched in El Reno, we could have been right with this.
Yeah.
But then again, he was gonna go all the way down the lot.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
That's too far. I don't want to go that far.
Yeah.
We made a big enough.
It's already almost 11.
Yeah, we've made a big enough loop, and we were gonna plan on being back before midnight or around midnight. So
Yeah.
I think we'll cut it pretty close around that.
Highway.
Oh.
And then we'll be on the glorious County Road 1250.
Going up by 20.
And we'll be on 1250 for 12 miles. It's
Oh,
also called Sandrock Road, which might be more reassuring.
yes, indeed it is. Sand Rock Road. Assurance. And hey, we'll be turned back around, so we'll be looking more back into the storm again. Sand Rock Road, that sounds great.
Huh. So storms around here are pretty much, they're starting to turn a little less southeast and more east-southeast, maybe even getting towards easterly.
Wow.
So once we get on that road, we're going to be pretty much just sitting in storms for a while. Hopefully it's not dirt.
Well, Sand Rock Road doesn't sound like it to me. And
It
also,
sounds like sand rock.
so AKA it's going to be not, well, sand rock's like basically gravel. So maybe it'll be gravel. Or maybe it'll be sand rock.
Yeah. Or it'll be
Or
sand,
sand, or it'll be rock.
It could be sand and rocks. It could be both. It could be
Or it
half
could be
sand
nothing.
and half rocks.
Or it could be nothing at all and just be a road. It could be
nothing. It could be grass. It
What
could
if
be
it's
grasslands.
I mean, grass would be better than mud, though. To be honest, grass is better than mud.
What goes under grass?
There was a skunk that I almost ran over.
What happens what's under
Soil, but
grass? Soil. What happens when the soil gets really wet? Alright, it'll be a left coming up fairly soon.
I almost ran over a skunk. The skunk was paralleling the highway here. Good to know. The skunk was trying to get out of the storm. Not doing a very good job of it. Well,
We're probably in a...
Alright. May the force be with us.
No commercial trucks in excessive power from any... This looks so sketchy.
Is it paved?
It looks like it.
It looks paved.
That looks like paved. Okay. We are paved for the moment. Ooh!
Oh, I got that.
Yeah,
Yes.
we did. Oh, that
Yes.
was gorgeous.
Wow, that one was across the whole sky.
Yeah.
If I could just get that every day, that would be every chase. That would be just great. This is paved.
Oh my god.
Wow,
it is.
Sandrock Road.
The goat. Never even. Who would have thought Sandrock Road is paved? Okay, so storms are starting to pop up around Tulsa area over into Ponca City.
Which way are those moving?
Huh?
Which ways are those moving?
That's probably associated with the cold front, so those are going to be moving south.
Okay, so they're not going to go towards us.
Well, if they continue down the front, they will.
No,
That'll be quite a while
it'll
after.
be west of us, but
That'll be east of us.
Yeah, whatever. You know. Well, I'm happy we did get. We got at least some way out. not
yeah.
baseballs, but we got some spherical looking hail that was in the shape of a ball, just not large.
I didn't see much from that Arkansas hailer, but I think the other two hailers were the random one out near Woodward and the random one down in Texas. And I don't think anyone was really on those, so
I don't think
I'm not disappointed.
I don't think we did miss a little bit, but I don't think we missed too much.
We would have had to get them as basically as soon as they formed, and they were way out west.
But then again, if we didn't go for the beautiful
It was really good.
looking thing
It
that
did look
fell
amazing.
apart, we would have got there in time. Alas, weather doesn't work that way. Weather legit does
Till
not
the next risk.
which is probably pretty soon. I got a good feeling.
Hopefully more than slight.
Yeah.
Not that I want people to get hit by severe weather,
No,
but I
but
want
I
myself
think
to get hit by severe weather.
I think
If I could be alone in the middle of the prairies, that would be great.
I think if the GFS, I'm not trusting it. Whoa!
I don't think it's got it.
I don't think it's gonna do it.
Yeah.
But there's always a chance. That's still about a week or two out. What's today?
Yeah, now's a great time to check the models.
Is it 15th?
It is 15th, almost 16th. It'll be the 16th in half
And
an
like
hour.
30 minutes. Right?
Yep.
So, yeah, literally about a week out is what GFS is showing. So,
Yeah.
and then again, I don't see any. Well, that's a weird stop. Like, that's a weird road. That goes curves back out. Because they don't have a stop sign, so they have to weave in and out of us.
Oh, that's one of the, that's a Ryan Hall kind of road.
Oh yeah.
North of us.
That's. Oh! My word! I think I got parts. I got parts of it.
I didn't see it because I was looking at
It literally went across, back, down, all around. We were surrounded by like bolts. That was crazy.
stuff. Wow. That was a beauty.
I got it. I will guarantee you I got that.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh.
Oh.
I think that got it. That was close as hell.
No doubt that was close.
Wow.
I didn't realize all that crappy road was right there. Otherwise, I would have slowed the heck down. Oh, here's more crappy road. Okay. This is much crappier road than what's back there. Ooh, what is this? Oh. Ooh.
Fun.
Oof. Oof.
Oh yeah. Nice
Oh,
roads
yeah.
around here.
Yeah, very nice roads.
Nice roads.
Oh.
Impeccable. You wanted to go some county roads.
No, this is fine. What is that in the middle of the road? Oh. Oh, no. Wait,
What?
is that a closed road sign? No, we're good. I don't think that is. I hope it's not.
Hopefully not, yeah.
Otherwise, we're screwed.
see anything indicating.
Yeah, no, they wouldn't indicate it. This is out in the middle of boonies. What is that? Is that a closed road sign? Yeah, I think it is.
Damn.
Is it? Yep.
God.
Wait, is it? Hold up. Yeah, I think it is.
So close.
I'm not gonna try it.
Damn.
Wait, or is this just a sign?
I don't know.
Oh no, it's closed. Yeah, no, there's a pile of
Yeah,
crap on the road.
yeah. And then
Is that Sonic attached to a giant playground in a school? What the heck? That's like attached to.
it is.
What in the world? I've never seen that. I was recording!
Huh?
Oh my gosh! I was recording. I didn't even realize I was recording. Just huge bolt struck that tower right there.
See that.
I legit. I legit looked over and I saw my recording. I'm like, oh, that.
Nice.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is gonna be amazing. And literally, you saw like the sparks coming off of it. You can see like a little last little bit of it sparking out. Yeah, it struck that tower right there. I'm not kidding. Wow. Lightning has definitely decreased though.
Good timing.
Yeah, it usually does that whenever I say that.
Morning, including Buckeye, which is far west.
Oh. That struck the tower!
Yeah,
that struck the tower! That struck the tower!
I saw that. Good lord.
Woo-hoo. But, excuse me, how is that not that loud? That's what I'm confused about. How that wasn't that loud? That actually, that struck that tower for sure.
Oh yeah.
It struck it again. Or wasn't that the same one? Or is that a different one?
That's a different tower.
But still, that struck it. 100% struck it. Alright, I feel like that was a pretty successful chase day today. Not what we were hoping for. We didn't get any baseballs or gigantic monster gorilla hail. The storms really were affected by the boundary, causing them to severely weaken as soon as they reached it. But we did get about P to blue. We got probably easily 50-mile-an-hour winds going into El Reno. And then, holy moly, the amount of rain in this storm, the storms that we just drove through. Zero visibility on I-40 from probably about Weatherford all the way into the metro. And then, the amount of cloud to ground lightning and gigantic lightning bolts across the sky tonight been absolutely insane. So we've had an eventful day. We drove all the way to Guthrie, then we went out to Meridian, went south to about Shawnee, and then we went out to Shawnee, and then we went all the way out to actually out further, almost to Clinton, and then through Mustang down to Blanchard, and now we're back here in Norman. Quite a bit of wind, actually, debris all over campus right now. The only thing I saw was a gigantic limb. That's the most severe damage I've seen all day. And And then we might get a few dents on the car because some of that hail was flying at us all in the 40. So that's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please go down below, hit the like button and the subscribe button. We are trying to reach as many people as we can with this channel because we want to make sure everyone is informed and can understand severe weather better so they can be safer and also have a better understanding and knowledge for meteorology. So never stop chasing, and I will see you guys out on the chase. Until next time, take care, my friends.